Hello, hello. This is Amber, and I am going to give a quick demo of the Well Zone. So this is the Well Zone landing page. This is what people would see when they come. Of course, we would give a login to members of your organization, so they would not have to get a plan. Their plan would already be set up with you, and we give them access to not only the content of the Well Zone, but also to the Blooming with Intention on-demand life skills curriculum. So we're going to get logged in here. They're gathering the latest activity. And they've got it. It's moving a little slower than usual, maybe my computer. So this is what you see when you come in. You've got a feed, and we put in the feed different articles. We do check-in questions. We share links to videos and resources, and also replays to content that we have created. That's what you'll find on your personal feed. You would also see upcoming events if there were any events. And you could go over to the free content library. The free content library has a wealth of resources on all different types of holistic well-being. And so you'd click into the tab and you can get access to a ton of different articles, replays again from past workshops that we've done. We have a what's good where people can just share what's on their mind. We can create this for your own community. And so this is one of our clients here. They have their own private community. So they would see similar to what you're seeing here, except it would just be members of your community and you would control access to it. Now we've got our on-demand courses in here, and I'm going to take you to show you the Blooming with Intention life skills course. So in are on demand, you would see, now you're seeing it a little different than I am because I created the course. So you wouldn't see it as exactly the same as I'm seeing it here, but you have where you're starting and getting an introduction of the course and what to expect from it. And then you can go into either of the modules. Now this can be self-paced, asynchronous, accessible on your own whenever you like, or a lot of times we will create kind of sub-curriculums based off of this that goes along with whatever programming that we're offering to your members. So I'll just click so you can see an example of what the videos look like. So this is the Wheel of Life. As a coach, this is one of my favorite practices to start out with. So I have clients do the Wheel of Life so that they can take a holistic look at their life and identify where they are and where they'd like to be. And then I ask them the powerful question of, now, how do we get there? So this is an example of the Wheel of Life. This will be a resource for this video. We have some reflection questions as well and additional resources. And here's what the video would look like. I mentioned most of the videos are 15 minutes or less. There are only a few that are more than 15 minutes, but we keep them 15 minutes or less, so they're snackable bits of knowledge.
Oh, welcome back. Lesson 2 of Blooming with Intention. And now we're going to talk about vision and the wheel of life. One of my favorite teachers and motivational speakers, Michael Beckwith, once said a quote that really inspired me, and I want to share it with you. He said, "I believe that you're great, that there's something magnificent about you, regardless of what has happened to you in your life, regardless of how young or how old you think you might be. The moment you begin to think properly, there's something that's within you. There's power within you that's greater than the world. It will begin to emerge. It will take over your life. It will feed you. It will clothe you. It will guide you, protect you, and direct you. Sustain your very existence if you let it." In the last lesson, I challenged you to imagine what your life will look like in 5, 10, 20, or even 30 years. There are tons of documented research and evidence that shows the positive impact.
Okay. And so the lesson would continue. I'll just jump a bit further ahead. It comes back, of course, to me being on camera as well, but the content is here and we're going through. So here I'm taking them through the Wheel of Life and giving them examples of how they would apply this in their life. So that is just one of the lessons from the 12 modules that are separated by self-awareness, self-management, and relationships, and all anchored in responsible decision making. All right. So that is the Well Zone. If we were to have an event, they would pop up here in their feed, and they could join us for our virtual events, get directly onto the Zoom meeting from here. They can click right in. So it really makes this very accessible right from the tip of your fingers. We say wellness on your terms from the tip of your fingers. All right, so that is a demo of the Well Zone and just a little example of the Blooming with Intention curriculum, life skills curriculum. Thank you.